In this video, I'll show you how to download DeepSeek on an Android. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. You can download DeepSeek on Android for powerful AI-driven search and content generation on the go. That way, you can access accurate, real-time insights anytime, anywhere. To download and install the DeepSeek app from the Play Store, start by opening the Play Store on your device. Once it is open, locate the search icon, usually found at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type DeepSeek. After entering the name, press the Enter key or tap the search button to proceed. The first result that appears should be the correct app, which has already been downloaded by around 1 million users. This is the authentic application that you need to install. If you have not installed it yet, tap on the Install button and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the application. Upon opening the app, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. You must click on the Agree button to proceed, as clicking Disagree will prevent you from moving forward. After agreeing to the terms, you will be asked to sign in with your email and password. If you have previously created an account on your laptop, you can simply enter your credentials and log in. However, if you do not have an account, you will need to sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling out the necessary details in the provided form. Once you have successfully created an account or signed in, you will gain access to all the features of DeepSeek. Now that you are signed in, you will see the main interface, where you can access features such as Deep Thinking R1, search functionality, and file uploads. The app also provides tools like Image OCR and Photo OCR, which allow you to extract text from images. Additionally, you can upload and process documents directly from within the application. You can now start typing your queries and exploring the functionalities of DeepSeek, completely free of charge. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.